Hey there, are you struggling to choose the right affiliate products to promote? In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to do just that. With so many products available to promote, it can be difficult to know where to start. But choosing the right products is key to making money as an affiliate marketer. So how do you choose the right products to promote? First, consider your niche. You will want to promote products that are relevant to your niche and that your audience will find valuable. Next, look for products with high demand and low competition. This means products that lots of people are searching for, but that don't have too many other affiliates promoting them. You'll also want to choose products with high commissions. Look for affiliate programs that offer commission rates of at least 30% and that have a good reputation for paying on time. Finally, make sure the products you promote are high quality and that you believe in them yourself. This will help you build trust with your audience and increase your chances of making sales. Let me give you an example. Let's say your niche is fitness. You could promote fitness equipment like dumbbells, resistance bands, or yoga mats. You could also promote fitness programs like workout videos or meal plans. Just make sure they meet the criteria we just discussed. So there you have it, some tips on how to choose the right affiliate products to promote. Remember to consider your niche. Look for products with high demand and low competition. Choose products with high commissions and make sure they're high quality and relevant to your audience. Good luck and happy promotion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on affiliate marketing.